If you're seeing Discord error 10003, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it quickly and safely. This error can happen when Discord has trouble finding a channel, and it's often caused by corrupted cache files, a bad local install, or a temporary Discord outage. The good news is that in most cases, you can get it working again in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear Discord's cache. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the box, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will take you to the appdata roaming folder. Now look for the Discord folder and delete it. Don't worry, this will not delete your Discord account. It simply removes cached files and settings that may be causing the issue. Next, go back to the Run box again by pressing Windows and R once more. This time, type %localappdata% and press Enter. In this folder, find the Discord folder again and delete it as well. Clearing both of these folders gives Discord a fresh start and can fix a lot of strange errors, including error 10003. After that, restart your computer if possible just to make sure everything is fully cleared out. Once your PC is back on, the next step is to reinstall Discord. Open your browser and go to the official Discord download page. Make sure you're downloading Discord from the official source so you know you're getting the latest clean version. Install the app again and then sign back into your account. In many cases, reinstalling after clearing the cache is enough to remove the error and restore normal functionality. If you still see error 10003 after reinstalling, then the problem may not be on your side at all. Sometimes Discord has a temporary outage, and when that happens, the API can lose track of channels or fail to load them properly. To check that, open your browser and visit Discord status at discordstatus.com. Here, you can see whether Discord is experiencing issues with its servers, messaging, API, or other services. If there is an outage, the best thing to do is wait it out and try again later. If everything looks normal on the status page, then go back and double-check the cache removal and reinstall steps one more time. Most users find that one of these fixes solves the problem completely. So to recap, clear the Discord cache, reinstall the app from the official download page, and check Discord status to rule out any outages. Those 3 steps are the fastest way to fix Discord error 10003. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.